So uFelicia Yabafethu is celebrating. She's very happy ukuthi uGabriel usejele. Wehlise umoya amaphapha phansi, her tempers are actually calmed because she is happy. She is finally rejoicing ukuthi uGabriel uselaphana ejele uboshiwe. Now the tables have turned because they were the first to go to jail benobongo. Now it's Gabriel's turn to go to jail. So umeme umfundisi nomfazi wakhe memile laphana to her house, I understand, to celebrate ukuboshwa kukaGabriel. Njengoba nibona-ke laphana ngumfundisi akayibekile phansi. He is happy benomfazi wakhe ukuthi uGabriel is finally in jail because they believed ukuthi uGabriel was always the villain. So umfundisi-ke nomfazi wakhe have always been friends with people bakwaThabet. You understand that they've always had Felicia's back from way back. Felicia's back from the very first start. You understand that they come a long way. So bayajabula ke ukuthi okay, the enemy is now a choke. The enemy is in jail. Yabona? So they are free to actually do whatever. They are free in terms of movement and everything because uGabriel useboshiwe. Njengoba nibona bafethu kuMpumi is being a supportive partner. Yazobona uGabriel. I'm not sure if these guys are actually dating. Yabona, because uGabriel exploited uMpumi, and I believe so ukuthi uMpumi hasn't opened her eyes in terms of ukubona ukuthi uGabriel uyamsebenzisa, yabona, and uGabriel once tried to simp uMpumi, well actually simped uMpumi, you understand. So bakhuluma lapha benoGabriel. uMpumi is concerned about Gabriel's bail hearing. Ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi i-hearing kaGabriel inini, understand. So uyasho Gabriel ukuthi he does not want to go to court, but at the same time he believes ukuthi he's going to be out in no time, you understand. So uMpumi begged ama-journalists ukuthi bangabhali itori ngoGabriel because you know journalists have been writing stories yabona about abo Felicia nabo Bongo. But when Gabriel set foot, uMpumi was supportive in terms of begging ama-journalists ukuthi angabhali itori ngoGabriel regarding his arrest, yabona, nanokuthi uGabriel do not believe ukuthi uMpumi yena wonke lona was her having to defend uGabriel. It was unbelievable kuGabriel, but ke uMpumi did so ukuthi amvikele uGabriel. So moving on ke bafethu ke ama-journalists avuja can say nama-podcasters I think came to Felicia's house to ask about the album because bayibona i-progress album yakhe, but also they screwed the whole interview by asking about uGabriel. Bethe bebuza uGabriel wathi uFelicia cha angabuzwa ngoGabriel because that's not what the main issue is about. The main issue should be about music, not about uGabriel. So Felicia got a call from the principal Noah. So moving on, Maruna Bafetu Sanakuro Wonko. I think they're also speaking about this Gabriel arrest. So Wonko is apologizing Yabona about the treatment that Maruna has been getting Yabona regarding family Bongo and whatsoever. So kusethi kusanjalo ke bafethu wena qhamuke ke uWendy mayibuya uWendy uzotshela uMaruna ukuthi they should go out and celebrate the land that uMpumi has bought for uWendy, yabo. So uMaruna ke they not seem to be interested because every time uWendy speaks about uMpumi it's like uMaruna is a failure, I understand that, because uMpumi is gaining from uGabriel kanti uMaruna is just shining out ngecareer yakhe lapha neGenesis and she has been benefiting ngecareer yakhe. So they both different, but ukuthi ke uMpumi uthengele uWendy iside and ke uWendy rushed in through with the celebrations because she was excited to actually announce the news kuMaruna ukuthi uWendy umthengele iside lapha na she bought her land, yabona, and uWendy wants the whole family including uMaruna to go and celebrate leo land leo ke ethenge uMpumi, but ke Maruna ke doesn't seem to be interested because ushilo naye ukuthi uMpumi akasamazi. She has disowned uMpumi after she sided with uGabriel and after she actually denied the truth ukuthi uGabriel is toxic in her life, and Maruna ke usekhiphile ke kuMpumi, yabona. So it was a shocker kuWendy ukuthi hayibo manje uthini Maruna mayithi umdisownile. Maruna akafuneli ukuthi uzomhlanganisa naye noMpumi. So continuing abafethu ke Mafitsotso has grown balls, yabona, usekhulile Mafitsotso, yabona. So uIshmael ke orchestrated, yabona, a meeting encane nje, small meeting, and also for umfundisi ukuthi afike lapha na endlini yabo entsha abahlala khona ukuze bakhulume banoMafitsotso. So Mafitsotso has finally apologized to umfundisi. If you remember guys, Mafitsotso was one of the people who was attacking umfundisi when uIshmael bought umfundisi imoto, you understand. So uMafethu also tried to stand up for Ishmael, protecting him, but he made things worse yabona ngokuthuka umfundisi nanokumthreatenisha. He threatened umfundisi yabo regarding the car that Ishmael bought for umfundisi yabo. So umfundisi ke ufikile laphana to honor Ishmael's invite. Mayefika laphana umfundisi uMafethu started speaking and apologizing. He started acting professional njengomuntu omdala, washo ukuthi their relationship was professional all along and doesn't want to actually waste that. Yena ufuna ukuthi baqhubeke bazwane. So he apologized to umfundisi and umfundisi did not seem to have a problem. Instead umfundisi forgave uMafethu, understand? uMafethu, now they back to their old ways. But kusenjalo bafethu Ishmael amchazela umfundisi ukuthi abamemanga umfundisi just for the sake of ukumema kuphela or ukuthi uMafethu uzoxolisa kuyena, but they invited him to come and bless the house, come and show him the house ukuthi they now live in that new apartment abasahlala lapha eMkhukhwini. Mfundisi ke bafethu was very happy to hear that. He blessed the house by giving out a prayer to both guys, understand? So moving on ke bafethu uwendi lana bafethu uwendi uwendi bafethu ukhuluma noMpumi, you understand? Yamtshela uMpumi ukuthi uMaruna kahle kahle akafuni ukuya laphana kwi-site amthengele yona, akafuni ukuya kule land amthengele yona, you understand? So uMpumi ayimphathi kahle lento leyo because uMpumi is the elder sister, you understand? So uwendi is confused ukuthi kumele enzeni to convince uMaruna ukuthi amjabulele uwendi naye uMpumi futhi and be part of the family once again, because ayekho umuntu odisown omunye, but uMaruna was the one who disowned uMpumi, you understand? So moving on ke bafethu, this is the teacher yabo, I think principal if not regular teacher esikoleni sikaNoah. So this teacher organized a meeting between yena and Felicia in terms of Noah's future in the school. So it said ukuthi uNoah has to be removed laphana esikoleni. He has high chances of being expelled after Gabriel eboshiwe yabo, and kids are actually teasing uNoah, calling uNoah Escobar regarding the arrest yaka Gabriel. So this teacher is actually being straight with Felicia in terms of like telling her ukuthi they have to release Noah, you understand? Because obviously Felicia has contributed a lot in that school, besides her having to pay Noah's tuition fees, but they have to remove Noah out of the school because Noah is in a huge risk. He's at a huge risk regarding kids having to tease him, kids having to not actually be firm with him. So continuing bafethu labantu babhekana yabo Islam, as you can see, but Mpumi had good news for the family, but the family wasn't ready to actually hear the kind of news that Mpumi has. So the family had to arrive in one table and have that meeting. So them having to have that meeting, Zakaria was frustrated because the last time they actually met, they were trying to protect Mpumi, but Mpumi wasn't a person who wanted to be protected. Instead, she protected Gabriel. So when they came through, they were like, because the last time they were with her, they tried protecting her. Instead, she went back to Gabriel. But tell Zakaria bafethu ngoba yamaZakaria uyayithandela utshwala. So yebona utshwala bafethu libhodlela wajabula uZakaria. He's probably thinking ukuthi hey kuzophuzwa and stuff or something. There's an occasion in the family, but it wasn't the case. So Mpumi wanted to actually announce the good news ukuthi uthenge eSite. She bought land for Wendy, you understand? So she gave them the bottle to honor and respect ukuthi aconvince umndeni wakhe ukuthi uvume ukuthi bayayibona njengoba nibonaka lapha. They were very happy to actually receive the news ukuthi uMpumi has bought Wendy that site. So vele bazofuna ukuyibona ke, which is gonna happen too. So Felicia bafethu, the two enemies meet up lapha ejele ngoba Gabriel eboshiwe. So these guys meet up. When they meet up, Gabriel is very relaxed in terms of meeting Felicia. So uyasho ke lapha uFelicia ukuthi ingwenya ivalelekile basically Felicia is saying ukuthi the crocodile is finally in jail, the villain is finally there, and so they are free to actually do anything and have every movement they want to have, because Gabriel the villain is there not to disturb or interrupt anything or distract anything. So he seems relaxed. Urelaxile nje lo muntu anakanankinga. But Felicia has to come through and actually be there ukuthi azomchomela and boast ukuthi yena ulapha nejele. So Gabriel wamtshela ukuthi in no time he's gonna be out lapha nejele, angajabula kakhulu. But the biggest news was Gabriel atshela uFelicia ukuthi there's an envelope, noma ngayilahla uFelicia, that's on her own. There's an envelope emva kwesithombe sika Noah, if not Gabriel no Noah, akumele ayibona laphana, which we don't know what it is. I understand, asiyazi ukuthi envelope yakhona ibhale ukuthini, but we yet to find out. So moving on, the whole family yakwaSedibeng went there to actually have a look at the sites. This is the floor plan, the original floor plan of the site. So everyone had their own visions. He wants to actually own a chicken business behind Indlu kaWendy, you understand? Behind Indlu kaWendy, he wants to own a chicken business. Wendy wants her own mansion. It was excitement ke vele ke beyibona ke site lapha, everyone was excited about ukuthi Wendy ke vele ke she can't wait to be on Felicia's level, because Felicia obviously is known as a person who's very rich. So Wendy ke ufuna uba ku level ka Felicia, you understand? Ufuna nje uba ku level yakhe by uMpumi having to build her that mansion. So she can't wait to have a mansion, because the floor planning already is out, and the whole Sedibeng family seems to be happy about their new site or land that was actually handed by Mpumi. So these guys gave a Fethu, and when babona go Ishmael nabo Mafito, so they bought new, what should I call this, chilling sets, I don't know, into zokuhlala. Nabona Ishmael bafethu nethezekile ke laphana. These guys are actually proud of themselves for making it. They're proud of themselves too, for elevating their lives and bettering their lives compared to the life they were living laphana eMkhukhwini. Understand? So Mafethu seems to be a very happy guy. When Ishmael laphana, they seem to be very happy. You understand? They moved into a new warm and comfortable place. So moving on, to the second visitor, should I say a third visitor, because Mpumi no Felicia sebazile bazobona uGabriel. So uGabriel utshelile kuFelicia ukuthi there's some envelope behind the photo laphana endlini that she hasn't noticed laphana. So bonke bafethu laphana is pretty much sure ukuthi uGabriel will not get out of jail anytime soon. Ngeke aze aphuma, and he's gonna make sure of that. Kanti bafethu, we all know ukuthi uGigabytes unepower. Yabo uyena uGigabytes uzowasho naye ukuthi uGigabytes kusasa lokhu uzobe ephumile ejele. He has money, he has power, you can't defeat this kind of person, understand? He's even relaxed and convinced ukuthi he's going to be out in no time. Ngiyazahlala lapha isikhathi eside as they think ukuthi uzohlala lapha nabhadla isikhathi eside, understand? So uzowasho uGabriel ukuthi uFelicia hle usamzanda. Yabo he is saying ukuthi uFelicia still loves him, you understand? So but basakhuluma ejele lapha, ngibona bonke is full of excitement ukuthi uGabriel uzohlala lapha abhadle ejele, but I doubt ukuthi uGabriel uzohlala lapha ejele bafethu. We all know this guy has power, uzophuma as much as we were happy for the weekend ukuthi lo muntu uhlele ejele, but we do know ukuthi he's gonna get out soon. So at that basakhuluma, there was this transition exchange yabo. Malena ke bafethu Felicia uyile kwisithombe because she was curious enough to know ukuthi uGabriel uphezu kwakhe. So it looks like this envelope, yabona, this note, this document, kade yayihlala laphana esithombeni, kade yayihleli laphana, you understand? But uFelicia ke ubengazi ukuthi kune document esemva kwesithombe. Just take a look at this picture bafethu. Gabriel urelaxile, he knows ukuthi he's gonna go out anytime soon. So yabona bafethu Felicia is getting emotional regarding the picture or regarding the document, you understand, that he actually took out of the picture frame, behind the picture frame. So I was curious to know what was there, you understand, and what's making her so emotional, because I don't think she seems to know what was behind the picture frame, but it was a document. So now when I refer to, she's opening the document, I couldn't actually wait to see what was actually there, because I was curious as much as everyone was actually curious. So turns out it's a last will and testament of Umuzi Thabethe. I'm just confused at why it's making her emotional, and why is it ukuthi Gabriel was keeping such a thing from Felicia. I understand that, but this is a will and testament of it, so we have to actually find out ukuthi obani onani, what belongs to who. Might even find out ukuthi indlu bafethu kusaya Gabriel, or Gabriel might have forged that will and testament. We don't know. We yet to find out. But thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.